My name is Grady Gamble. First YouTube video ever. I have a heart to help people in cryptocurrency. I've been doing it for years. I've made every mistake humanly possible imagined in the space. You could imagine. I've made it. I've also been very successful. End of the day, done well. Made a lot of money on it, lost a lot of money, learned all the lessons, and I'm in the process of selling my business as well, doing this full time. I'm already doing this full time anyways. There's a need. Here's where I'm going to come in and be a blessing. So like, subscribe, bell button, comment. First video, I've got 0 subscribers. I help people all the time get into crypto. I've got chat groups that I do buy and sell signals, like recommendations on projects, different things, news, up to date. And I have people all the time wanting to pay me money to help them get into crypto. What we need is adoption in crypto. I want to teach my mom how to do crypto, from decentralized finance, all of it. Okay, so I have people all the time asking me, okay, they hear it, all this YouTubers everywhere are just boom, boom, boom. They have their niches, they do their thing. But there's not a whole lot out there that will just help you ABC, step by step, the average Joe, the beginner, get into what to do, there's so many options, where should I go? So I want to provide a value of a YouTube channel that's worth $1,000 a month to somebody on, here's all the different, first of all, platforms. There's Voyager. Here's the pros and cons. What's good, what's not good. Coinbase. What's good, what's not good. They drive me nuts. Too many fees. Same with Gemini. Too many fees. But what's good, what's not good. There's good things about them too. And how Coinbase, you can get the Coinbase wallet, which is more decentralized. It's a Ethereum-based wallet. And then underneath it, or really, it's probably better to get the Metamask wallet. And help educate people. You get the Metamask wallet, there's the Ethereum. You don't want to be doing Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain in the Metamask wallet. Here's how to do it, A to Z, step by step, how to get the average Joe in and adopting and doing decentralized finance. So starting with the basic, like Voyager or crypto.com, giving the pros and cons. Here's why I do this. And looking out for your best interests. This isn't about me. It's not about my ego. It's not about my channel. I don't even need to do this. I don't really care to be some great, awesome crypto guy on YouTube and make a bunch of money and have all these thumbnails. Oh. Okay, that's fine. I want to be a servant in the space. It's as a core value. And in doing that, it's the key to success anyways. In life, in business, is looking out for your best interest. So many YouTubers do things that drive me nuts. And we don't have, okay, how do I do X, Y, Z? I'll be doing beginner and advanced. I'll go way advanced as well, but beginner videos to help the average Joe, somebody like my mom, be able to do everything I'm doing and to feel good about it, confident, not stress out. Also buy, sell, recommendations, get a chat going, and do it all for free. For free. That's what I'm going to do. I do it anyways. I do this full time. And so I'm good with decentralized finance. I'll be able to help you do everything and give you feedback with everything that's going on in crypto. Even from recommending who to listen to on YouTube. Everyone has issues on YouTube. They all have their good sides and bad sides. But I watch all of them on 1.5x speed. I'll even tell you how I do that. Okay. And the pros and cons about all the YouTuber people, the big ones, BitBoy and Coin Bureau, George, I'm George, Cryptos R Us, all the guys. There's all kinds, all the way down to some of the small guys that I love too. and actually show you how to do decentralized finance, how to work on the Binance Smart Chain. What does that even mean? Why is Binance exploded and done so well? Why is Ethereum the queen? Avalanche, how to use that on Metamask, how to Polygon, okay, and all the different options and how much interest you can make and how to do it step by step, A, B, C. What's going on with crypto.com? Why did it explode? Is it just because they did the arena and you can get the debit card, you got a stake, is that all? Or maybe their new blockchain they just created and their new DeFi wallet is awesome and it's already working. They just cranked this out. People don't really know how awesome it is. I want to be able to sit here and show you right here how to do it and what it offers. The Cosmos ecosystem, Phantom, all of them. And pros and cons of the coins, the tokenomics. I want to be that guy and give $1,000 a month value to you for free. That's why I'm here. And just give you a true, honest, here's me. Here's what I'm doing. As much of an insider mindset, there's no, I'm going to withhold information like they all do. It drives me nuts. I'll do the work and make it easy because your average Joe, he's working, he's busy, he doesn't have time for all. It's insane the amount of time. And I'll be hiring people to help me. I could hire 20 people to do all of this, personal assistants, different things. I can only do what I can do here as far as the videos go. But here we go. Let's give it a shot. Next video is going to be, I'll do video reviews on all the different platforms out there like Voyager, like Crypto.com, Coinbase, Gemini, all the different ones. Just about. I'm in the United States, so the different exchanges, Gate.io, KuCoin, Binance.us, used to have Binance, all that. But then also, primarily, a big focus of mine right away is going to be download a Metamask wallet. The seed phrase is very important. I'll do a video just on that. Downloading a Metamask wallet. If you're on your cell phone, you can download the app. It's an app, okay? Or if you're on the computer, there's a Chrome extension. You have Google Chrome. Okay, and when you download the Metamask wallet, that's going to unlock the world of decentralized finance for you. And step by step. So start with that. Download a Metamask wallet. And then it'll say create a new wallet or import an existing wallet. Okay. If you're a beginner, you're creating a new wallet. It'll give you what's called a seed phrase. If anyone ever gets that seed phrase, they can go onto their cell phone or their computer, type in the seed phrase, download the wallet themselves, type in the seed phrase, and get access right to your funds. It's decentralized. Okay, it's not insured like Voyager is insured. Okay, but it's your funds. It's there. There's no central governing authority over it. It's the wild. It's like the cash in your wallet, the Metamask wallet. It's not a hardware wallet. That's different. Once you have the Metamask wallet, you want to write down the seed phrase. If anyone ever gets that seed phrase, then they can steal all your funds instantly. So be aware of that. Be careful. Have a game plan of how to keep that private. But also, what happens? What if you die? How can somebody else get access to your funds? So that just as much of an issue of people getting their funds stolen or hacked is they lose their seed phrase. You know how much crypto is lost and it's impossible to ever access ever again. There's maybe something to the tune of 6 million Bitcoin lost. So both are equal threats, okay? Also know that most of crypto is a scam. It's speculative. It's a bunch of subpar ethical things going on in the world of crypto. So it's disappointing, a lot of the projects, but there's a lot of good ones. And so going to help you with all that. But never, 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 if someone's saying, send me your crypto and I'll send you more, everything's a scam. So if someone's contacting you, if someone's reaching out to you and trying to even advertise, I'll make you a lot of money if you follow my program and pay da-da-da-da-da. If they're really that good, making all this money in crypto, they don't need to be doing that, okay? It's probably a scam. Probably a scam, all right? Most things in the world of crypto are scams. Rule number 2, never look at the price per coin. So it'll take a while for new people to understand this. It always does. The price per coin doesn't matter. Okay, it's the market cap in that coin and the total supply of the coin. So there's the market cap of the coin. If Bitcoin only has 21 million Bitcoin, you're in finance, there's only ever going to be 21 million Bitcoin. 18 million are in circulation. Over the next 150 years, the remaining 3 million will come out. Okay, 6 million of those are lost or something to that tune. Okay, with You're in Finance, for example, there's 36,000 total coins and they're all in circulation. With Shiba Inu, there's 100 trillion coins in existence. So if you have You're in Finance with the only 36,000 coins and Shiba Inu has 100 trillion coins and Doge doesn't even have a max supply of coins, okay? There is no max supply. That's just ever creating more and more coins. It doesn't matter if a coin is $1 billion per coin or 1/billionth of a penny per coin, okay? It makes no difference. It's decimal points. You want to look at the market cap, the current circulating supply, and very importantly, the eventual total supply of the coin. You want to look at the tokenomics, is what that's called. And that's what determines, so people look at Bitcoin and they're like, oh, it's already 60,000. It's already gone up. Well, that's true. It does have less room to grow, but that doesn't mean Bitcoin can't go to $10 million per Bitcoin or $100 million per Bitcoin or whatever. Okay, so it's not, you can buy $10 worth of Bitcoin. It's a fraction of a Bitcoin. Never look at the price per coin. Never look at the price per coin. I don't care if a coin is 1/100th of 1 penny per coin, if it's 1 penny per coin, if it's 10 cents per coin, if it's 50 cents per coin, if it's $500 per coin, if it's $5,000 per coin, if it's $5 million per coin. It means nothing. A coin that coin that's at $5 million per coin could go to $100 million per coin or $1 billion per coin. If there's 10 coins in existence, okay, and there's a whole bunch of people in on that coin, that's all. So it's all decimal points. Doesn't matter. I mean, it does matter on your buy-in, okay, but as far as how far it's come and where it's going, you can buy $10 worth of Ethereum, $10 worth of Bitcoin. You don't have to pony up 60 grand and have one coin. That's not, you get a fraction of a coin. And it doesn't matter that Shiba I own 5 million Shiba coins. Doesn't matter. Okay, that could go from 0.0004 down to 0.0001 and you lose all your money. Okay, so doesn't matter. Price per coin doesn't matter. So many more videos to come. I'm going to focus on helping people get into decentralized finance and how to do it step by step. Download the Metamask. I also want to help all these gaming coins. Okay, that's What's going to really overtake the world is going to be bear market resistant because it's real world. It's no longer speculative. Most crypto is speculative. It's what it could become someday. That's why Cardano is just like, they're taking forever. And that's okay. It's what it might be. Okay, gaming coins that are actually coming out, like Axie Infinity, you have what just came out is Thetan Arena. It looks awesome. Okay, that I'm telling everyone buy Thetan Arena. Now I still need to do a tokenomics look into that because some of the gaming coins don't have the best tokenomics. That's okay. But that game is the most downloaded app right now. It's awesome. Okay, so where can you buy it? Well, you can buy it on PancakeSwap or Gate.io. Okay, so both are not easy. So I want to help people into DeFi, Decentralized Finance. PancakeSwap is in the Binance Smart Chain, which you can access through the Metamask wallet. It's technically an Ethereum layer 2 blockchain. Different than the original Binance chain, okay? There's multiple blockchains and there's interconnectivity going on between different blockchains. And that's what's really opening things up. So much going. So I want to help you essentially at the end of the day buy some Thetan Arena, buy the coin, play the game. I'll do videos on how to actually play the game. It's like I'm trying to play Alien Worlds, I'm trying to play Axie Infinity. How do I do it? I have to go figure it out. It so makes me mad. I'm like, I'm starting a YouTube channel. How to help people do all this. So I've had to learn everything the hard way. There's not a whole lot of people out there that will just do all this for you and help you. It shouldn't be rocket science. It's so crazy to me. These YouTube guys they just don't even give you a second to explain how to do things so often. They're doing all this. They're often withholding information on purpose. They have an agenda behind it. So, here we go. 17 minutes. First YouTube video. I love it. It's fun. We're going to have fun. I'm going to do this every day. I'll make videos every day. Do the research every day. Crank them out. A lot of how to do things and recommendations. Crypto Grady out.